How are we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back to another fun episode of Tom's Flair Bartending Tips. Today we are doing working flair, but with two bottles. Two working flair bottles. If you don't know what working flair is, there is a video. You can go and check it up there. But if you've watched that, you can go and watch that now if you want. But if you watched that, you know what working flair is. Let's jump straight in. Move number one is the swipe through. Now all of these moves can pretty much end in a pour. So what I'm going to do is whip out this little shaker right here. Move number one, bam, pour, bosh, okay? Pretty simple, and for each time I'm going to teach, I'm going to jump to my plastic bottles to show you how to do the move. So basically you're going to, in your right hand, you're going to grab this one in tennis grab, that's palms away, thumbs down like so. Left hand, you're going to grab this one in beer grab. This one is just doing a throw up like this, okay? And as you throw up, that gap between the bottle and your hand, this bottle is swiping through. You're doing this with the right hand and this with the left hand. You put it together, whew, and once you get to there, you're just gonna lift up gently, drop down, grab in position, and pour. Ooh. Move number two is a double swipe. Whew. Oh yes. Back to pour. Now for this one, it's a double tennis grab. Palms away, thumbs down. You're gonna grab hold of the first bottle in your fist, release your pinky ring and middle finger, grab hold of the second bottle. Now you can hold them however you want, but that's how I do it. If you wanna hold it in one finger or two or however you want, it's up to you, but make sure you've got them nice and solid. You're gonna do the same move you did previously, but this time you're doing both bottles. Now the bottle which your thumb is holding onto, this one, in my case it's the orange one or the pink one, you're gonna drop into this hand, into your left hand, you're gonna grab it there. Once you've done that, you bring this one back round, throw it up, grab it into beer grab, and go and pour your drink. Now I'm gonna show you, this is possible with odd shaped bottles as well. I've got my Moses gin right here. Yes. Sound effects as well, yes. Move numero tres is the drop. There's a lot of moves which I call the drop, and this one looks like this. Yes, yes, oh, yes. Same grab as before, we're doing a double tennis grab. This time I'm holding the white bottle next to my thumb. That's the one you're gonna drop. And you're just doing this motion, but as you bring it up, you're gonna drop that one that your thumb is holding onto. So drop into the other hand, bring this behind your head, and then from there, I'm holding onto the bottle between my index and my middle finger as it comes around here, and then I lift, grab, pour, down, done. Thank you very much. We can upgrade this drop move to two very cool moves, which are much easier than what you think. Here's the first upgrade. Yes. Now to perform this, you can do it in a much easier way than what I did. Instead of dropping onto your left hand, you can literally place it on your left hand, bring the bottle around your head, drop, drop, pour, bosh. And all you're doing is same grab as before, okay? You're gonna lift up, but you can place your other hand underneath, move along with it, take that bottle around behind your head, bang, finish it off like you previously did. The next upgrade is with a double stall. Yes. Back to the beginning, same thing as before. You can place that one on your hand. Now this one you can't place. You're gonna bring it to here. You're gonna lift and you need to catch it on your hand into a stall. It's quite a tough one to do, but once you practice it, you're gonna nail it every single time. And I've done a video on stalls, just handy. It's right there. You go and check out how to perform a stall. Move number 6 is an assisted roll with two bottles. Yes. It's the same beginning as before. We're there. We're going to come up behind our head, bring this bottle around. Now, the idea here is you're going to place the neck on the neck of that one using your thumb to guide this bottle. So you kind of balance it there like this. My thumb is stopping this bottle from falling down, and it's just leaning against that other bottle that's in my hand. And then you just assist that roll down, keeping that bottle horizontal. Bosh. Take your time with it, and go slowly. You don't have to go super fast. Boop. And you'll get it much, much more quickly than what you may think. Move number 7, got it right that time, is a back to front with a switch. Yes. I used this one a lot when I was bartending, and it is great for those odd shaped bottles as well, because you can still get them involved and still use them in your flair moves. Now the back to front move, I've talked about in previous videos, but to just quickly go over it, as we throw the bottle up, you're pushing the neck of the bottle to make sure that bottle flies up flat and you can catch it in the other hand. The other bottle is simply switching, you're just passing it over to the opposite hand. So if I use the 2 plastics, the pink one is coming up, the white one is switching, you see? Now, of course, there is an upgrade, and the upgrade is like this. Ooh, we've ended in a stall over here, and then we can come to do a different type of pour. That stall is pretty simple. All you're doing with this bottle is you're just going to place it on your hand. So you throw this one up, you place, and then you catch. So you're going to go throw, place, catch. The tip here is to make sure you throw this one a bit higher. If you throw it lower, you haven't got a lot of time to make that stall. So you throw it up, place, catch. Yes. And then we can do a reverse and a regular pour. Whoosh. Okay, bonus 8th move. This is more of a sequence and I really like it. I used to use it a lot behind the bar. It looks like this. We're going to kind of incorporate some of the moves we've already done, but this time, yes, yes, bosh. Very, very simple to perform. Again, I'm going to use the plastics. We're going back to that double tennis grab. We're going to come over like this. We're going to release the one next to the thumb. That's going to come up to a back to front here. Then this bottle is going to come up around my head, and instead of catching it in beer grab, we're going to do a catch down behind our back. So you're dropping it and catching it in reverse. And then from there, you're going to throw up to another back to front. You're in position. You can make your pause. Thank you very much. Good night. Working flair moves using 2 bottles that you can use behind the bar. They're all very, very accessible. Some are a little bit more difficult than others, but I can guarantee you with a little bit of practice before your shift or at home, you're going to be able to nail these and utilize them behind the bar. And once you start nailing these, it's going to open up more doors to more moves with similar kind of sequences. So don't forget to hit subscribe button, like this video, drop me a comment down below of other videos or other moves that you would like to see be taught on this channel. And best of luck learning all of those. Before I go though, I want to say huge thank you to all these legends who do support me over on Patreon and are getting more content, including my 3-Minute Thursday series. So if you want to get involved in that, there's a link in the description below. Thank you very much to all of those. And until next week, see you then.